Hello guys, this is just part 2 of my update with my daughter Sharon. So the perp landlord just came down and told me that, I sent a message to Sharon and she told me that she's with her friend and that she will not come home tonight. He said to me, because I actually told him that it doesn't matter how long it will take me. I will wait until 12 midnight until I see my daughter. That's what I told him. So his instruction, of course, from my handler is for me to tell me that, and then I asked him, can you call him so that can you call my daughter so I can talk to her? I said, and then he goes, no, I don't want to get involved. You know, the drama, like, I don't want to get involved. And I told him that I don't believe a single thing what he told me. There's no way that Sharon will sleep over tonight at any of her friends because she has uni tomorrow. Early. She gets up early, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. to go to uni. Okay? So, dear handler, I don't know what's wrong. Why? What's this? Too much manipulation and isolation between me and my daughter. Yeah? So, I will see. I will have to wait here. I will have to wait until I see her come here right in front of 119 Mixed Road, 119A. And I will upload the conversation with this perp landlord. And I told him that to his face, that I know what's going on. Anyway, that's just the update. The second update with my daughter Sharon and their handler into the surveillance team. Well, I don't know how are you going to manipulate it. So, if 12 midnight or past, she didn't come home, then I don't have a choice, right? Because you're God. You can manipulate everything. You're God with the small letter G. Anyway, that's all, guys. This is the part 2 update with my daughter Sharon.